Hello everyone, I am Dhaval Prajapati, a math teacher. Today in this video, we will learn class 9 exercise number 6.1. In question number 6, we can see that it is given that angle of XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to P. Draw a figure from the given information. So first, let us draw a figure. First one, XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Okay. So XYZ. Am I right? XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Second key point is XY is produced to point P. This XY is produced point P like this. Okay. Now this is our figure from the information. Okay. Next one is if ray YQ bisect ZYP. Where is our ZYP? Yes, it is here. So bisect means two equal part. Okay, two equal part. YQ make two equal part. I would like to write here theta. Okay, two equal part. That's why now our figure is complete. Okay. Then we need to find out angle of XYQ. First, angle of XYQ. So, angle of XYQ we need to find out. And second one is reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle of QYP. Okay, so write down solution. First one is here ZYQ and QYP is equal. That's why I give that name theta and theta. Okay, so we can write XYZ plus ZYQ plus QYP. Okay, angle of ZYX plus angle of ZYQ plus angle of QYP will be a 180 degree. But I take here ZYQ and QYP is equal to theta. So angle of ZYX plus theta is equal to 180 degree. But angle of ZYX is equal to 64 degree plus theta, that's why 2 theta equal to 180 degree. That's why 2 theta is equal to 180 minus 64. So 180 minus 64, 10 minus 4 will be a 6 and 7 minus 1 is 1 and 1. So 2 theta is equal to 116. That's why 116 upon 2. 5 2s are 10 and 1 6. That's why 8 2s are 16. So value of our theta is equal to 58 degree. Am I right? And our first question is find out angle of XYQ. Okay. Now we have 64 plus 58. So write down angle of XYQ is equal to XYZ, angle of XYZ plus angle of ZYQ. That means theta. So angle of XYQ is equal to 64 plus 58. That's why angle of XYQ will be 4 plus 8 12 1 and 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So this is the first answer. Okay. Now second one is we need to find out a reflex angle of XYP. Now we know that our angle of QYP is equal to theta and theta is equal to 58. But reflex angle means which one is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. That is called our reflex angle. Okay. So if we subtract QYP from 360 degree, then we can get our reflex angle. Okay. So write down. This is first. Now second. Reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 degree minus 360 minus theta. Okay. QYP, that means theta. And we know that value of theta is equal to 58. That's why 0 minus 8, that means 2, 5 minus 5, 0 and 3. So reflex angle of QYP is equal to 302 degree. So write down, answer is angle of XYQ is equal to 122 degree, while reflex angle of QYP is equal to 302 degree. So this is the solution of our question number 6.